Hey guys, Jax Days here, and today we're going to be playing some Ninja Legends, and also it's updated, so I'm going to refresh the page and it will come up to, let's see what happens. The island's out? Yo! The island's out, jeez. Okay, but I found out that my, I think it's on groups, yeah. So if I go on to groups, join this army if you want to join it. It's called Roblox British Imperial Army, whatever it is. I'm like a general on it. It's a good group. It's my group. I'm ready, please. So if you go to store on it, I'll put this link down below, right? Click onto this, and if you apparently buy this, it gets you like a free island, the free first island. So if you haven't got the free first island, then buy this and you get it for it. I'll even prove it to you. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go on to Ninja Legends. So let's go into games. Let me see. Right, so once we get to our Ninja Legends, we will show you the thingy. This weird thing. I don't know why it's like this, because it's just mine thing. I don't know why though. But yeah. So apparently, if wait, hold on. We need to do one thing before we can do it. Actually, we need to go into my thing again. Right, let's just go into my thing. Right, so it says. So all you need to do is buy it, right? Apparently you need to start it. I've started it because I want to do this glitch. It gives you one free island on Ninja Legends or something. I do not know. Right, so let's try and go back onto it. No, it's games. Let's just wait. Let me just get a drink. I'll be right back. Right, I've got a drink. Okay, let's go into games. I know it's been a while and you just want to see it, but I just need to prove it to you that it works. So, we now click onto this. Load. Now we gotta wait here for 30 to 35 seconds. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so I'm going to do it as 25 seconds. It might work as 25 seconds. So I'm going to show you right now that what island I'm not up to, and then I'm going to show you that it actually works, because we need to do the 35 seconds after we go into the game, and then we come back off and then we do it. Just wait. That was upgraded. I'm going to pause this. We're right back, guys. And okay, we are back, and let's see how much so, oh, there's an int. Okay, so we only have those two ones. We don't have any other ones. Let's see which one gives us So next island, I'm pretty sure it's going to give us that, or the space island. Let's see what it gives us. So we're going to leave, and we're going to wait 35 seconds. So let's wait 35 seconds. Go. I'll be back when it's over. Guys, it's just been 35 seconds. It wasn't that long actually. I just put a timer on my phone, and we are going to be playing. Let's see if this actually works. So we've bought it. We go into the game. We check that we have no islands. We go off, wait 35 seconds, and we join. Literally takes like 2 minutes. Let's see what island we have. Come on, please work. This guy just tweeted it me on Twitter. I was like, oh my gosh, does this actually work? Okay, so. Oh. You see that, guys? It was locked, and now it's not locked. Are you freaking kidding? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that's all. Bye.